I have a visitor. Lula Bell. Lulu, come here. Lulu. No, I'll go this way. What do you guys want? What do you want? I just gave you bread. I just gave you bread. Want to go out back? Want to go see what's out back? There's more bread out back. I know. We're going to go out back. You coming? Are you coming? Like, no. You got no bread. You're just talking to me, aren't you? Come on, I'll show you where the bread's at. Come on. How about worms? You want mealworms? They'll come if I get the mealworms. We're in the makeshift nursery. This is the door to their coop back there. We opened it up. What are you doing? Where you going, Chuck? They like the grass. What are you getting? You finding some good grass there? Oh, you're flipping it around. Uh-oh, we have an escapee.
Just one?
There's an escapee over here.
Just one?
Yep, just one so far. Somebody got out. Somebody got out. What are you doing? Oh, it's Bandit. Bandit, how'd you get out? How'd you get out? He says, I don't know. Hey, hey, say hi. Say hi, little peoples. Say hi. What are you doing out? Here, go. We got feathers fluffering and they're getting big, aren't they? Big, big birds. Chick. Hey, chick. Ruh-roh, Houston. We have a problem.
Yeah.
They know they can fly up onto this little short cage here. Now where are you going to go? Huh? Where are you going to go? Don't look at my flowers.
Yummy.
Those are fenced in for a reason. Yeah, there's nothing up here. I'll go back. Bye. We got some tusslers down here. They're at that age where they like to just step up to each other, chest bump, fly at each other.
Dominance, I think.
Chicken version of the chest bump. What you got? No, they're not doing it. Oh, of course. Now here's an interesting situation we haven't had before. We got mealworms out. The little birds are like, oh yeah, give us the mealworms. The big birds are kind of like, They don't want to get too close to the little ones.
The little ones are used to the plastic.
A whole bunch of little ones over here. I don't dare go outside, but the mama and the baby's over there. Yeah. Can you see the baby? Mama sees me. She's looking. She said, I'm gonna go back in the bushes. Come on, baby. There's another baby over there. I think it's on the other side of that. I thought I saw another one. Okay, maybe I'm crazy. Thought it was on the other side of that tree, though. Yeah, maybe not. Where you going? I came to say hi. Where you going? I snuck up on them, but they saw me and they took off. Hey! Come back! I wanted to get a close-up. Oh, now they're gonna go where? To the coop. No, they're not. We don't know what we're doing. We must eat our vegetables. Oh, we're trying to teach the little ones, but the little ones are like, no, I got some in there too, but mm-mm. Is it good, girls? Yummy. Mm-hmm. Tell the little girls come out and get theirs. Here comes a girl. Come on. I don't know. It's just a little guy. Yeah. Everybody else took off and they're way back in the corner. This one's just standing here looking at me. Hey, buddy. Hi. You can kind of almost still see spots. It's one of the babies. Yeah. Hi, baby. What are you doing? Everybody else went back there. Yeah. Can you see the other ones? They're way back there. I don't think you can see them. Well, there's one. You can see the one, but there's more way back there. But this little guy's just hanging out. It's like he's just staring at me. Hi, cutie. Hi. Oh, he's so cute. Yeah. I think Mama's back there maybe getting a little like, come on, kid. Come on. Too cute. Super, super cute. There he goes. There he goes. He didn't go find Mama now. She's over there somewhere. I love them. The little girls have been feeling their Cheerios, man. They're loose. They're out and about. Although those three have decided to go back into the cage. I don't know why. They're just in the cage. No clue why. But they're running all over the place, just having a good time. They've been meeting the big girls. Yeah. We're about to round them up, though, and get them inside.
Come on that way, man.
We're rounding them up. Go. Round up. Round up time. Go. Go. They're like, nope. No. Okay, you can go in that cage. You can't get out once you get in it. And just like that. It's like the story of Ping. Familiar with Ping? Don't want to be the last one in, right? Don't want to be the last one in. I can't even see you guys. Around. There they are.
Do we have them all?
I don't know. Better do a head count.
I think we do, but I don't know. What a bunch of poop.
I know, there's a bunch of poop up here. Gotta clean that off. Ugh. Well, that's one way to do it. Needs a good scraping. I thought you were gonna pick them up one at a time and put them up there.
No, here.
Alright, I gotta go get water. What are you doing, little guy? I think he's sleeping. I mean, I am super close. What are you doing? Huh? I think it's taking a nap. Oh, there it goes.
Hopefully, cross fingers.
It's the mama and the baby. It just got done raining. And they're out there at the pond.
Goes, well, maybe it was a power supply.
And my husband's on the phone. But okay.
Isn't
that cute?
We'll see.
Cute, cute, cute little baby. Oh, she's going, no, we gotta go this way. Come on, baby, let's go. I have visitors. They're awfully close, too. See how close? Oh, look, there's a bunny, too. It's just wildlife day on the farm. There's a bunny up here by the bushes. There's 2 geese right there by the rocks. But there's more. I can't get the other ones. All right, I'm going to move to a different window and see what I can get. Hang on. All right, here's a better view of the geese. I don't know why they're not in the pond. They're up here eating stuff out of these rocks and the grass and whatnot. There's 4 geese. There's one way over there to the left, behind the spinny thing. He's down the hill. And then there's 3 over there eating, and one just standing there. He watching? He's the guard, maybe. I don't know. Every once in a while we get a couple geese that will hang out in the pond for a little bit. But these guys are just up here eating, having a good time. Bunny's still here too. Bunny's over here. Let me see. I'm filming through the screen, so see the bunny? There's the bunny. And the geese. And the wild birds. They're having breakfast too.
Yep.
Well, good morning, little geese. Enjoy your breakfast. I won't go out the door and scare them off. So you gotta deal with the screen here. And that one's just keeping watch over everybody.
That's what they do.
So I don't know what we're doing exactly, but there's been this big machine out behind our house in the farmer's field, and he's just cutting down trees. So we talked with the farmer who lives right back there, and he's like, yeah, they've started down at my house, and they're doing the whole river. So look at this. They've been coming down here and cutting like these massive trees out. This used to be pretty overgrown. You couldn't even see the water. That's a river, actually. But my goodness, they have cleared, and they're just kind of driving along the bank and cutting as he goes. It's like, wow. He said then they'll come through later and they'll scoop out the river and get all the junk and logs and things that are actually in the water out. But I wonder where all the wood's going to. I mean, there's like nothing here. There should be piles and piles of wood. They must be hauling it out or something. This is crazy. I have to go home and show my husband this video, you know, since he can't walk down the street right now. He can walk around the yard, but that's about it right now. Let me show you the other side, though. Hang on, let's go over here. So the other side, they haven't done anything over here. This is kind of what that side looked like. See, look. Oh, look at all that down there. That stuff has been, wow. So this is what they're trying to do, is just clear all this out. I don't know if they're going to do it right here, but I would think so. But, wow, that's amazing. Wow. All right, my husband will find that interesting. There's the mommy over here. There she is. Stop it. That's my yard. Looky over here. Stop it. No. Stop it. Stop. Where'd you go, little one? Mommy went in there. Toffee, good.